In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your coolant overflow tank on this Toyota Camry with a 2.5 liter 2AR engine. It's located at the top of your radiator. Let's get started. Pop this cap off and remove the hose that's inside here, and then remove the hose that sits on the radiator side. Sometimes they get stuck, so you'll have to get something to pry it off of there with, but be careful not to break the fitting on the radiator. There you go. Two 10mm bolts hold this on, one over here and one over here. Take them both out. This one's a little rusty. With those out, you can take this tank right up and out. I still have coolant in mine, so I'm going to recycle it properly. If yours was empty, recycle the tank, and let's install a new one. Now you're going to want to take your new overflow and line it up with the mounting holes. Put the bolts in and snug them up. It comes with a brand new cap with hose on it, so I'm going to reattach this over here just like that. Then pop the cap off so we can fill it. If you have good coolant in your old reservoir, just reuse it, take it out of that, put it in here. Or you could just do what I'm doing and add new coolant in. That way you know for sure it's fresh. It helps to have a flashlight shining through, especially for me right now so I can show you better, but usually you can see the level better. This is the minimum line right here. This is the maximum line right here. Just gonna fill it up to the maximum. Right about there is good. Clean up anything you spilt. Cap it off. Make sure this cap clicks on. Just like that. Not a loud click, but it does secure itself in place. And once you've cleaned everything up, you're done. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.